Hello there, this is me Ashish Verma, welcoming to all of you on my YouTube channel Ashish Engineering. Since you all know I'm working with L&T Construction, I hope you are all doing great with your families in this very unprecedented time. So in today's video, I'm going to clarify most of your queries that has been asked by you all on my different videos regarding L&T Construction. As I know, most of you have qualified your interview round with L&T Construction in 2021 hiring process, and now you are waiting for your offer letters, for your joinings, and you are having more and more queries in your minds regarding your offer letter, regarding your joinings, regarding your training inside the L&T Construction, regarding your accommodation, how to get internship, and does L&T ask for any amount of money during hiring process. Everything I'm going to clarify in this video. What you have to do is you have to watch this whole video from beginning till the end, and everything is going to be clarified by myself in this video. And one request, do share this video as much as you can to your friends, among your friends, so that they can get clarification in their future too. So I won't waste much of your time. Let's get into the first query is, does L&T ask for any amount of money during hiring process? Listen to me very carefully. L&T doesn't ask for any amount of money from students during hiring process. L&T is one of the prestigious company that we are having in India. L&T's 70% business is comprises of construction industry only. So L&T believes in shaping the future of newcomers, new students. L&T provides a platform to the students so that they can have their bright future in India in different streams. So L&T doesn't ask for any amount of money during hiring process. So be clear with this. Whatever offer letter, whatever cost that you are getting from many fishing departments, don't believe on them. L&T doesn't ask for any amount of money. So the second query that I was getting is, sir, we are diploma students and we have been selected by L&T Construction as diploma engineering trainee. After our 2 years of job in L&T Construction, are we going to get a leave to do our higher study like BTech and MTech? So for your clarification, I would like to tell you that L&T is one of the great company. Here they provides you all the exposure that you need for your growth. In 2 years of your training, in 2 years of your job with L&T Construction, you will be getting a lot of exposures. After 12 months of your training, you will be assigned as a junior engineer in S1 cadre, and you will be getting all the exposure that a manager cadre gets. Alright, so don't feel like you are a diploma student and you won't be getting same exposure. You will be getting all the exposure and you will be having same experience. You will be working with people those are having experience of 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. Some of them are having more than 28 years of experience. One of my survey head, he is having 28 years of experience, and every day I'm sitting with him, I'm learning a lot. So you'll get a lot of exposure to learn, to grow. And still, if you want to do your MTech or your BTech, L&T has a provision of getting you certified in different departments. If you are a diploma student and you want to do your BTech, you can be in L&T, and part-time you can do your BTech. They won't restrict you. L&T is always believing in getting you more qualified and more well prosperous. So the third query is, as a third year college student, how to get internship in L&T. So I would like to tell you that L&T, when it comes for hiring in your colleges, if you are from tier 2 or tier 3 colleges, or from those private prestigious colleges where L&T visits for campus hiring for fourth year students, at that time itself they have a process of hiring third year student for internships, and you have to go with the same process that your fourth year, your seniors are going for their placements. And in the same way, you can get internship. You can get a chance of doing your internship with L&T Construction. There are some other ways too. If you are not getting selected from there, you can have another chance. If L&T is working in your state nearby your college, you can visit there in their project. You can talk to their project managers, to their engineers. If they are having vacancies, they can give you a chance to do your internship with them, and definitely they will provide you a certificate and you'll get a good exposure of learning there in L&T Construction. L&T believes in shaping the future of his students, and they are always welcoming to the new student to have good learning process from them. And they are having many platforms too. If you are qualified as a BTech and still you want to do your MTech, L&T provides a Build India scholarship program. I have made one video on that. You can watch by going in my video series. Alright, sir, what will be happening with us if due to Corona our final year examination, our 8th semester examination are still pending? So don't worry. Before you will be receiving your offer letters, L&T will be sending an email to your administration department and they'll be asking, have you completed 8th semester examination? For the students those have qualified L&T hiring process round. If they have not, if your college haven't conducted your 8th semester examination, L&T will be providing around 3 to 4 weeks time, almost 1 month time to your college. So your college has to conduct your final 8th semester examination, and in that time period itself they have to declare the result. If your college do it for your futures, then definitely L&T has no problem. L&T will provide you offer letter and you can join L&T as an engineer, whatever training engineer they have hired for. Alright, so the fifth question is, sir, what will be the work that will be assigned to diploma engineering training students? Those are coming from computer science background. As I'm a civil engineer, I'm posted at site. So as per my site experience, I would tell you that as long as I have seen inside, there is one IT department. There you might get a chance to work with that IT department. In that IT department you have to handle all the system and you have to take care of all the functions that are inside the system. And there too, L&T is having one EIP system, so you will be trained in EIP system. Each and every part of EIP system you will be learning. And there is one more part, planning department. In planning department, one documentation controller post comes. You might, if you are having good command in your communication and writing skill, you can be a document controller in site. If you are posted in BU offices, your work might differ because there are many works in BU. The sixth query is, sir, can we get a job in L&T Construction through reference? Will it be permanent or temporary, or it will be a contract basis? So for your surety, I would like to tell you that L&T is having different policies and L&T is grabbing many projects throughout the country. So if you are having good reference, good connection with L&T Construction, or you have done work with L&T Construction previously and you have left L&T for some reasons, you can easily join L&T Construction. If you are having a good resume, you have having right skill set that L&T needs. So L&T is asking for people, those are out there and they are having right sets of skill. They can easily hire you, they can easily take you. If you are having connection and you are having right sets of skills and L&T is having requirements, you can talk to the people, those are working inside the L&T. If your skill will match, they will definitely hire you. For the permanent and contractual basis, it will depend on your service. If in the beginning it will be a contract basis. If your work is smooth, you are bringing a good profit to the company, they might make you a permanent employee of L&T Construction. And most awaited question that has been asked by many new and fresher students, those have got their selection in L&T Construction through campus hiring in this 2021. So the last question is, sir, when we are going to receive our offer letters from L&T Construction, when we are going to hear about our joinings? So don't worry, you are going to hear from L&T. L&T will never play with your future. L&T is the man of its words. L&T will provide you offer letter. As we all know that it's Corona time, it's unprecedented time. Same thing happened with me in 2020. I got hired by L&T Construction and I was waiting for offer letter. Generally we receive our offer letter in the month of June, in second or third week of June, but due to the Corona, my offer letter got delayed and I received my offer letter on July 27th and I got my joining on 10th of August. Alright, so don't worry, L&T will provide you offer letter. You just try to maintain your connection with your training and placement coordinator. Just try to check your email on regular basis and try to have some information about the offer letters about offer letter of different colleges where L&T has done the hiring process. So don't worry, L&T will provide you our offer letter and L&T is going to onboard you all. So try to improve your skills, try to invest your time in some learning works And don't worry, L&T is going to onboard you. Alright. So I hope I have clarified most of the queries that has been asked by many of you in my different videos, and I hope you have enjoyed this wonderful work of mine. So if you have liked this video, do subscribe, do a thumbs up, and be a member of this family, and do share.